Laurie Williams here with the Alcohol Ink Art community, and in this very quick demonstration I want to show you one technique for using the ink from an alcohol-based marker for painting. Enjoy! Yeah, and I take my pen on the wide edge and I just start scribbling on my palette. It's directly here, and what this does is dispenses some ink for me to use. So I'm going to use a fair amount of that. So I'm just going to keep scribbling here for a minute. And I'm not going to apply this directly down. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of alcohol to create another level of a wash. So mix that together just like that. Now I have something to work with that's a little lighter, but that's sort of the next layer. And now what I want to look at is on here where this sort of starts to come in, and this color is right around the edge here underneath and sort of up here towards the top. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball this and start putting some down.
Come learn, create, and share with us. It's a life-changing opportunity. Excite the artist within.